2024 is already shaping up to be the year of AI. Experts predict a 50% increase in AI-powered devices this year alone. Today, we're diving into the top 10 AI projects of 2024. From healthcare to transportation, AI is changing everything. Buckle up and let's get into it. Before we jump into the cool stuff, let's address the elephant in the room. Rapid AI development is exciting but comes with challenges like job displacement and ethical concerns. We need to be aware of these challenges to develop responsible solutions. These innovative AI projects are tackling these complex issues head-on. They're not just pushing boundaries, they're solving real problems. First up, we've got Project Name, straight out of a medical drama. Imagine an AI that can analyze medical images with accuracy surpassing human doctors. Faster diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and life-saving interventions. This AI assists with surgical procedures and predicts complications. It's like having a team of medical experts in one powerful AI. Next, let's talk about smart cities. Project Name is revolutionizing urban planning. Think AI-powered traffic management, reducing congestion and commute times. Imagine optimized energy consumption, automated waste management, and enhanced public safety. This AI is creating a more sustainable, efficient, and cooler urban environment. Let's switch gears to something artistic. Project Name pushes the boundaries of creativity, an AI that composes music, generates visual art, and writes stories. Think of this AI as a powerful tool, a collaborator for artists to take their work to new places. Communication is key. Project Name aims to break down language barriers entirely. Real-time translation so accurate and seamless, it's like Star Trek. This AI could revolutionize global communication and foster cross-cultural understanding. The traditional education model isn't working for everyone. Project Name tailors learning experiences to individual needs and styles. AI-powered personalized learning paths, real-time feedback, and support. Sustainable agriculture is crucial, and Project Name is here to help. AI optimizes crop yields, reduces waste, and minimizes environmental impact, using technology to ensure food security while protecting our planet. With amazing technology comes the need for top-notch cybersecurity. Project Name is a digital guardian, monitoring networks and preventing cyber attacks. AI that learns and adapts to new threats, keeping our data safe. Technology should be accessible to everyone, and Project Name makes that a reality. AI-powered assistive technologies for people with disabilities, breaking down barriers and empowering people to live more independent lives. Fitness junkies, this one's for you. Project Name personalizes fitness. AI-powered workout routines, virtual coaching, and injury prevention, focusing on nutrition guidance and sleep optimization. One project stands out, Project Quantum Mind, pushing AI boundaries with quantum computing for unprecedented processing power, revolutionizing fields like drug discovery and materials science. There you have it, the top 10 AI projects of 2024. AI is transforming the world, solving complex problems, and improving our lives. Which project blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tech deep dives. Until next time, keep exploring the future.